Hey everyone! Today we'll learn how to double our investment with no charts or trading knowledge needed. This is not a day trading strategy, but a foolproof method to double your money guaranteed. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This is not investment advice, and we are not licensed financial professionals. Series EE bonds are savings bonds issued by the U.S. Treasury, and the government guarantees that your bond will double in value. Just like any bond, you buy them for face value and they earn interest every month. Interest compounds semi-annually at a fixed rate, which is set when bought. If it does not double in value after 20 years, they'll top it up. EE bonds aren't affected by market volatility. While stocks and other investments can fluctuate wildly, these bonds remain a steady and predictable option. This makes them particularly appealing during uncertain economic times when other investments might feel too risky. And because the government guarantees their value, you never have to worry about losing your principal investment. These are great for conservative investors or for those that want a risk-free supplement to stocks. They're low maintenance and secure, ideal for patience and peace of mind. EE bonds, like other government bonds, are backed by Uncle Sam, making them one of the safest investments out there. You also get tax perks as EE bonds are state and local tax-free, and federal taxes are deferred until cashing out. If you were thinking of spending these on education expenses, you might even dodge federal taxes altogether. If you decide to cash out, you must hold your EE bonds for at least 1 year, and for the best returns, hold them for at least 5 years to avoid a 3-month interest penalty. If you're ready to embrace EE bonds, head to TreasuryDirect.gov. It's the only official site. Keep in mind there is a $10,000 limit per year and an additional $5,000 more via tax refunds on EE savings bonds. These are a great safe haven investment that you can set and forget